Good morning, grade 7 students. Hope you're doing good. I'm your biology teacher, Mr. Elie. Today, Wednesday, March 11, 2020, I'm going to continue explaining the chapter 2, Nutrition in Plants.
Please open your books, page 34, on Activity 3, Production of Organic Matter. You can use your copybook to write the notes. This activity, I'm going to remind you a little bit about plants, and we will discuss several questions including these. So please pause this video and try to answer these questions. What do we call green plants? What are the essential nutrients needed by plants? Why do plants take nutrients? What are the two major causes? Let's start. Plants are living things that grow and reproduce. To be a green plant, the plant's leaves must have chlorophyll. As you can see here, after microscopic observation that the chlorophyll is a green pigment found in the leaves. So these green pigments are called the chlorophyll. Each leaf contains millions of chlorophyll pigments responsible for the absorption of light from the sun. In order to grow, green plants must nourish themselves by taking nutrients. What are the essential nutrients? Water, carbon dioxide, sunlight, and minerals. Without one of these nutrients, the plant cannot grow and develop. Sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll pigments in the leaves. What about the other nutrients? Carbon dioxide is also absorbed by the leaves. However, both water and mineral salts are absorbed by the root hairs. Note that inside the plants, water and mineral salts form the crude sap, which is then transported in an ascending manner to reach the leaves. In other words, crude sap is a diluted solution composed of water and mineral salts. Now pause this video and answer the following questions. All green plants absorb sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and minerals to produce the organic matter glucose and oxygen, a process known as photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Where does it occur? Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants, and only green plants, absorb carbon dioxide, sunlight, water and minerals to synthesize the organic matter and release oxygen. Organic matter is a material that enters in the composition of living things. Some examples of organic matter are glucose, which is the most abundant sugar, and starch, which is made up of several glucose molecules. The process of photosynthesis takes place in green leaves. Exactly why is photosynthesis so important? Two big reasons. One product of photosynthesis is glucose, a sugar molecule, which provides the basis for most food chains. The second product of photosynthesis is oxygen. The oxygen is needed for the survival of all living things. Photosynthesis is characterized by the production of organic matter such as glucose or starch. How did scientists identify starch in food, mainly in plants? They simply used a chemical found in the lab called the iodine test or the iodine solution. Observe the color of the iodine. It's brown to orange. How did they perform this experiment? They did a cross-section or a transverse section of the potato and they added few drops of iodine solution. If the color changes into dark blue, then the test is positive. This means that there is starch. However, if the color remains the same orange to brown, this means that starch is absent. Please observe the picture and try to identify the substance contained in a potato tuber. Thank you and see you tomorrow.